Since 26 June 2018, yachts built in the US and imported into the EU were required to pay, beside the VAT on the whole, 25% customs duty in the country of import. The additional customs duty was imposed by the EU Commission as direct response of Trump's trade policy against EU imports in the US. However, after the suspension by the new US administration in late 2021 of the safeguard measures, the EU Commission adopted on 26 November 2021 a new regulation whereby the additional 25% customs duty was suspended from 1st January 2022 until 31st December, means that US-built yachts will no longer be subject to 25% customs duties when imported into the European Union from 1st of January 2022. In any event, it is strongly advised to verify the particulars of each vessel to make sure that all the boxes are ticked and the yacht is eligible for the suspension on the additional customs tariffs. Thank you.